Hey everyone, it's John the Phone Guy here, and gotta do a little battery change here. So I've got the Grand Octane in the purple. Model number is 27081, and this has the Ronda Z60, so 395 battery, and we're gonna get right at it. So obviously, first thing, take the micro adjuster out so you can get to the case back easily. There goes that guy. Always hold on to the lugs so you don't put any undue strain on the bracelet itself. Or at least that's what I tell myself is the best way to do it. So sorry about that. In fact, let me fix this just a little bit so that I can get a little closer to me. So here we go. So we got one screw right here, and I believe this should just, yeah, it sets on that hole, and then this paddle system holds it. So we'll take this off and get access to the battery. I'm gonna apologize if I'm covering stuff. I don't want anything to fly out at me. Alright, there's that guy. Get him out of the way. There we go. And like I've said in most of my videos, I prefer the Ronda batteries. Obviously, as you can tell right there, this is a Ronda. That's what Ronda primarily uses. I think the biggest thing is because it's got 0% mercury. If my chemistry is still valid, I believe that's I believe that's what that symbol was. Hg is mercury. So we'll set this guy back on that peg right there. Lined up. Well, I'm got quite a bit of good magnetism going there. Pick that sucker right up. Okay. Try and make sure I get this good and snug. Alright. Make sure nothing moves on me. Move this thing out of the way so I can see what's going on. And there we go. We have movement. All right. So let's get a little grease on this guy here. We will, let's see. My apologies. I'm trying to figure out what best to grease that O-ring with. I think I'll just use my finger again. Probably just as easy. Just kind of get it looped up in place here. And I guess I need to pay attention to where the camera is, because y'all can't see it. All right. Wipe that off. And as always, oh, let me set this down so I can get a there we go. Always with the fingers at first. You never want to take the chance of forcing this thing. Okay. All right. I'm going to hold by these lugs right here. Try and get my hands out of the way. There we go. And check, just be sure. Alright, and we'll get our micro adjuster in. Last time I tried this was actually the hardest part of the whole process. So we're going to see if we can't improve on that just a hair here. Got 1 and 2 popped in. Good and secure. Throw it on the wrist. There we go. All right, all changed up, ready to go. So there we have a battery change on a Z60 with the 395 battery in the Grand Octane. As always, if you enjoyed this video and any others, please subscribe below. And as always, enjoy your Invicta watches, and I hope to see you next time when I do another battery change. Thanks, y'all.